information, such as characteristics and components of a virus, have you ever wondered how to create one such virus? To create a virus, one must know the life cycle, that is, phases of a virus. These involve 6 stages, starting from origination, transmission, triggering, infection, identification, and removal. The first phase, origination, is the place where a virus is born. Normally, a virus can only be created when one thinks from the attacker's point of view. Tech geeks will always love to build a virus by coding a program. The basic requirements to code a virus include an OS, Notepad application, and a programming language which you are familiar with. From the wide range of programming languages available, we have opted for DOS commands. Having enumerated the requirements, let us get into our mission. To create a virus, just open the Notepad application, key in the following code, and save the file with a name followed by the extension .bat, and with Save As, type to all files in any desired folder. Your virus is ready. Before proceeding to the next stage, please stop. It would be mean of us not to tell you the easiest way to create a virus. We would all be very happy for our work to be done with a single click of a button. Let us show you how to use a tool to accomplish our task. The requirements for creating a virus using Tool include the much-needed OS and a virus maker tool. Here we opt for Delmay's Batch Virus Maker. Opening Delmay's Batch Virus Maker tool, navigating to the Payload tab and clicking on Spam with Message box, name your virus and click on Save As.bat for saving it in any desired folder. Having created a virus, what would be the point in keeping it to oneself?